Are you trying to renew your ANCC certification and you don't know exactly what to do or where to start? First, look at the address bar, go ahead and type www.nursingworld.org, and then it's going to take you to the login page. Come here, click on the login page, says returning customers. Go ahead and drop your username and your password in there. If you don't have an account, you come to my right side here and go ahead and click on create account. Create account and come back here. Once you log in, go ahead and log in, and then we're going to tell you what is next. You want to go ahead and locate my account, but let me go ahead and log in first, okay, and then I'll take you there. All right, so once you get into your account, you're gonna come to professional. Okay, you're gonna see pay invoice, address book, payment options, and all that on this side. My courses. What you need after clicking on my account, okay, you click on my account. What you need after that is you want to come here and go ahead and click on professional development. Now, when you click on professional development, it's going to take you straight to your CEUs that you have uploaded. So you want to upload a bunch of hours. This one is saying I have 152 contact hour, pharmacotherapeutics, 106, and all of that. So you got to come here to keep track of it. You want to come here and keep loading stuff. Now, not to say that this is the right thing to do. I went over the top. I took a lot of my courses, of course, with Harvard University, Harvard Medical School, but you don't have to. There are many cheaper alternatives than I just love the pharmacology from Harvard, so I go there almost every other year, but I slowed it down now though. So anyways, we now have other means that you can actually connect with this in case you don't have a job and you don't have clinical hours. You want to look into academic credits if you have any kind of college or any kind of education. Presentations that you've done before, you want to load that. Publications and research, you want to load that. And of course, if you've ever conducted any kind of research, like I did research here, saving the brain with therapeutic hypothermia, that was at Duke University, and I came here and took that. They took that into consideration as well. And then preceptorships, I've never done any. If you do preceptorship, you want to go ahead and add your hours in here. Start adding it. It's extremely important so you can keep track. They don't need any proof then, but you need to find a way to keep it neatly so that in case they ask you for an audit, you can present all the proofs that you did, in fact, precepted. Students, professional services. This is pretty much my professional service, okay? So, Serisphere Center for Behavioral and Integrative Health, it was founded and managed, since 2025. International Association for Clinician Advancement. I am also the founder of that. Serisphere Center for Behavioral and Integrative. I don't know why I duplicated that. Loudoun County Department of Mental Health, Substance Abuse and Development. I do volunteer service for Loudoun County. So I'm one of the at-large representatives for Loudoun County Department of Mental Health, Substance Abuse and Development in Virginia. And then, of course, NP Certification Academy. They're very appealing. I'm able to put that in as my professional service. Now, professional service can be anything. You can also put in some of your volunteer hours as long as it's a true service. All that will add up regardless of your clinical hours. Just to let you know, experience, they don't take that into consideration, but your own contribution to the profession, they take that really seriously. Now, if you're not sure if your profession counts or not, please go ahead and email me or text me or call 347-901-6037. That is 347-901-6037. You can also email nurse-to-nursecoach@gmail.com or visit our website www.npcertificationacademy.com for professional advice on how to go about your renewal. If you're in doubt and you are not sure, especially if you don't have a job, a lot of students think they're going to lose their license. Don't forget, when renewing your license, you have two renewals. You have the ANCC renewal if you have that exam, or AANP if you have that exam. Those ones are just every 5 years. And then we have the state. That one is every 1 or 2 years. You have to see how often you have to renew your state. In my state, Virginia, definitely we renew every year. Some states go as far as every 2 years. So pay attention to that. I really hope that this helped you. Again, www.nursingworld, you can see right here, www.nursingworld.org. We are not affiliated with ANCC, just trying to be resourceful here to guide you on how to renew your license so that you don't lose it, because many students worked out for it and I don't want you losing it, and then now you can't go back to take the test, because you're going to be way over 5 years already. And, I just don't want you to lose out on renewing your license. So make sure you stay on top of it, please. Have a wonderful day. We offer board exam reviews as well. Before we go, you want to visit www.npcertificationacademy.com to sign up for our board exam review. We also have a conference coming up to help guide our, and mentor other, new nurses or new NPs, or most importantly, to network so you can see what is really out there. Being in the right network is key in life. Let's not lose sight of that. You can also join our Facebook here by clicking the F link. And of course, this meeting is going to happen. We're looking forward to doing it at Kalahari Resort in Spotsylvania, Virginia. They are actually still constructing it right now. It's going to open for the first time on November 28th. December 4th to 6th or 5th, we're going to be the first one to be there. So we're looking forward to it. Admission is $200 only. So you can visit www.npcertificationacademy to sign up. And of course, now we can go back home here to check out our courses. First, if you want to know about me, you want to click on here. Dr. Kehinde Elisha's profile is right there on LinkedIn. So that will tell you a lot about me. And the last minute reviews that we offer is right here. PMHNP review. We have ANCC. We have AANP. Similar exam, but they have some uniqueness too. There's a way AANP will test you. There's a way ANCC will test you. Go sign up to find out. www.npcertificationacademy.com. We also offer FNP AGNP exam review for ANCC and AANP. FNP exam is going to change on October 30th, 2026. You don't want to get caught in that, okay? October 17th is the last day that you can take the current test. So go sign up again, www.npcertificationacademy.com. We also have AGACNP exam review that we offer, AACN and AANP. We also offer NCLEX review. We have the upgrade package in case your package expires. You can come in without having to ever pay again. We offer one-to-one support. We offer post-certification courses. You pass your board already. You have no idea what to do. You have no idea where to go. We're going to guide you. You're going to click on our post-certification courses that will take you to our Bridge website, Bridge and Mentorship. And we look forward to having you there too. And then the schedules are right here. WhatsApp community is right here to kind of connect with us in real time. And if you want to connect with us on Zoom, feel free to also give us a call. And we're going to meet you right here on this Zoom that is located here. We have some sample lectures here. If you're on the fence and you're not sure if you want to sign up with us, click on our sample lectures and you're going to get a feel if it's your style. QBank is right here. If that's your choice. But I will tell you right now, no strategy without content. You have to have your content for anything to make sense to you. So how are you going to pass your exam? Simplification, repetition, retention, success is the way to go. And Dr. Elisha is going to bring it on. We have some beautiful reviews here. Check it out and read up. And whatever you see right here is what you get. And I tell you right now, you're going to make it. Come join the circle of exam success. Pass your exam the very first attempt. Thank you so much for taking time to listen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Dr. Kehinde Elisha here, founder and CEO of FNP Certification Academy, founder of International Association for Clinician Advancement, founder of Service Center for Behavioral and Integrative Health. Thank you so much for taking time to listen and have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.